Hi, Chili Peppers. It's Mrs. Miller, obviously, in her home office here. I wanted to go through a few things about your work for this week. Sorry, Purple Day students, I didn't get this up a little sooner. But first of all, what you're looking at on your screen here is the agenda and instructions for class, okay? So I'm going to try to follow the schedule each week where I post the agenda. I do mention in here that it would be good for you to have a notebook or some form of paper that you use for English because it will be useful to take notes sometimes, all right? And so your work for this week, if you see here it says 1, 2, 3, is basically we view the work from last week, the night the bed fell activities. I have a section in Classroom here for that. That's this first part you see that says Week 2 Instructions Part 1. All right, so you'll go through that. And then Part 2, you have a slideshow to watch. That's where you might want to take some notes. This is another document that you'll recognize that we used in class that could help you with the assignments for this week. So you have Assignment 2 and Assignment 1, which are out of order. I realize, I apologize for that. But you will go ahead and do these 2 assignments for this week. All right. The agenda is pretty straightforward. You will have your learning targets. Notice that this week we've got goal-directed and resilient as your portrait of a graduate skills, because we definitely have to be resilient as we figure out how best to do this learning environment, this distance learning environment, right? Please remember about late work. Now there have been some changes to that in that now there's another week in which you can submit late work. But I'll talk about that in a separate email and video. All right? So you have your assignments here, just like I said, for the work, and that's about it. All right. Bye.